C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for fish. G is for goat. H is for horse. I is for insects. J is for jellyfish. K is for kangaroo. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for narwhal. O is for octopus. P is for polar bear. Q is for queen. R is for rabbit. S is for snake. T is for tiger. U is for unicorn. V is for vulture. W is for wolf. X is for Xmas tree. Y is for yacht. Z is for zebra.